emissions control. It's been a large part of Johnson Matthey's business for a long time. And as we continue this transition to net zero, there's focus on electric vehicles, on hydrogen vehicles and the technologies for those. But we expect that internal combustion engines will continue in hybrid form for years to come, and in the heavy duty sector for much longer. So we have to keep developing the technologies to fit into those markets as long as they exist. In the 50s and 60s, cities like Los Angeles and California had a real problem with smog and pollution, which was linked directly to the emissions from vehicles. To tackle the pollution, the Clean Air Act was brought in the mid-60s to set limits on the emissions from vehicles. As the emissions limits tightened, it became clear that engine measures alone, engine tuning, would not be enough to meet the emissions limits. The Johnson Matthey scientists thought, well, we've got this technology we've already developed for other industrial applications, you could apply it into a vehicle exhaust. The world's first commercial batch of coated auto catalysts was made here in Royston in May 1974. So as a result, that led to a global industry. It spread across America, into Europe, and now all around the world. The legislation pushes the technology. We now estimate we've made over 1.3 billion catalysts that have been fitted to vehicles worldwide. The catalyst systems on vehicles today remove over 98% of the emissions that would otherwise get into the atmosphere.
We are the preferred partners for our customers, as we are highly collaborating and applying JM technical expertise to continuously enhance their products. What we are working is best-in-class technology at best-in-class cost.
The ecosystem in the world is very dynamic, and what is critical is being agile and adapt to the situation. We have several plants across the world, and to standardize the processes and being more efficient and cost effective, we've introduced a standardized way of working called JMPS, Johnson Matthey Production System. Being more modern and efficient, that perfectly fits with JM culture.
Clean air is here stronger for longer. It is a big part of JM today, and it is expected to remain very strong. The emissions control team services the now, and it also services what is around and beyond. We have built very strong bonds with our customers, and that has allowed us to truly evolve and understand their needs. We are listening carefully and proactively developing our solutions, understanding that we have the depth of catalysts that apply beyond the auto sector, what is emerging right now, and how the infrastructure is growing effectively.
For me, it's really exciting to be a part of JM from the bottom of my heart.
I'm very proud to be a part of this organization because I clearly see that the protecting the people and planet is very much, I'm doing a responsible job in this organization.
I had asthma as a child. I know how important clean air is. I know that what we do gets fitted to technology that is in everyday life and makes a difference to the environment around us.
The technological depth that we bring to the table and the passion of people aligned with the purpose, we have a lot to offer to our community and to the environment.